Hey guys, it's Jeff. Got another quick video for you. This is going to be on reloads on a revolver. So how do you do a reload? Coming up after this. Hey guys, I'm back. So this one is going to be based off of how to reload a revolver on a quick reload if you are in a duty situation and you're carrying a reload. I know this is 2018, almost 2019. I don't know if anybody still has to carry a revolver. However, this is going to be a throwback to the days when people did carry revolvers as duty guns. This was my duty setup in the mid-90s when I was working as a federal security guard. So this is what I carried. You can see this is pretty old stuff. I mean, it's a lot of dust and stuff on it. I had to dig it out of some old drawers. Regardless, I just want to do this quick little video. I thought this would be a fun little video to do. James Yeager put a post up on his Instagram a few months ago about how to do a quick reload on a revolver, and so that got me thinking. He's doing a video or a series now where he's running people through revolver training, and I follow him on Instagram and I follow him on YouTube, and I found that kind of intriguing. People aren't doing a lot of revolver stuff anymore. It's still a good gun. It is limited in capacity, but there are use cases that people still find them as valuable tools. So anyway, just real quick, I'm going to cover how to do a quick reload, and that'll be it, guys. So going forward, old duty holster here. It's thumb snap Bianchi holster. Nothing real famous. However, when you carried your revolver, you carried your reloaders on your strong side, and the reason being is when you go to fire your weapon, and this one is clear, but it's not gonna be. If that bothers you, you might want to click off now. Anyway, when you go to fire your revolver and you ran out of ammunition, the way you do a quick reload on a revolver was you take it from your strong side and you put it into your weak side. Now here you're gonna have your fingers. You can hit the revolver release or the cylinder release, and now you're holding the gun like this. So you've released it quickly and you can manipulate the cylinder here. So if you're doing individual reloads, which that was a method for some people who carried this weapon, they would just get there was a case that had a snap on it, and when you popped it open, you'd get a reload fall into your hand of loose rounds, and you could do individual reloads. Now that's going way back into the 70s and 80s time frame, but I did actually carry that, and you could get pretty proficient with doing a reload. It wasn't the fastest. It definitely wasn't as fast as using a reloader, or a magazine, a box magazine. However, you could get pretty proficient with doing a fast reload. So at any rate, you shoot your gun, bang, 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 you're out of ammo, you switch it to your off side. Now you reach down into your reloader pouch on your strong side. So again, you're using your right hand. This is where your reloads would be. You take the gun, now you're manipulating the cylinder, you've got it with both fingers. You can control how you drop the reloader in there. You rotate, the rounds all fall loose. You discard that reloader, and now you've got a full revolver once again. You get done, bang, bang, bang. You can now manipulate the gun, drop your rounds, load your next, control it. Obviously, I don't have a second one, but you drop them in there, throw it away, bang, 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 bang. So anyway, guys, that's just a real quick overview on how to do a rapid reload on a revolver, type pistol. It's throwback to when people actually carried them, like I said, but just a quick little fun video. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. You can check me out on Instagram, Jeff_tac, and you'll find me in those other locations, Gunstreamer, BitShoot, and on Facebook.com. So that's it. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.